The eastern stitch is a single block stitch that can be placed together in a row. Imagine a square block. Make the straight stitch on the top and the left side. Come out from the last corner and whip around the stitch on the left side. Keep the needle to the outside or to the left of the thread. Next, whip around the stitch on the top, passing the needle over all the threads or stitches on the way. Take the needle in through the last corner again and see how the looped thread forms a shape. The tighter you pull, the more distortion it creates. You can use the needle to put it in shape. This is a block of eastern stitch. Make more of the same stitch and place them close to each other. I find the stitch really pretty to use as borders with a little bit of gap. How the stitch came to get this name is a mystery to me. Is there anyone who knows about it? Let me know. I hope you liked this video. Share it if you have learned something new and drop a comment to let me know. Do check the links in the description to support us. This is Sarah from Sarah's Hand Embroidery. Thank you so much for watching.